Welcome to Honest Reviews. Today I try to start my Volvo 240. It's in a very nice condition. It's a wagon from 1990, and basically the engine was cracking but not starting. It was very weird because it's an injection engine, it's not a carburetor, so it's pretty weird. So before frustration beats me, I said, hey, why don't you stop for a second and think? And I realized that I wasn't hearing the noisy pump behind the car, below the car. So I realized there was something with the fuel relay or with the fuse or something. So I checked the engine, and this is what I found. So my first step was starting to check these fuses, because I said don't go for the relay. If the relay is bad or broken, you won't be able to fix it now, because basically I live in Argentina and IPD takes 2 or 3 weeks to deliver something here. Not IPD fault, it's just because of living so far away. So I started for the easy thing, that it's the first thing you need to do. I found this here that I couldn't extract, but it was okay. I found this one. I don't know if these are for the alarm or if they are part of the engine fuses. And I found this one here that looks like the alarm, and when I touch it, it basically broke. Okay, it basically broke. It was a 25 amps fuse, so I'm going to start with that and see if I'm lucky. I don't have a 25 amps, I have a 15 one. I believe one of these are 15. It's going to be weaker, but at least it will work for a couple of seconds before it burns, and then I realize if the pump starts, and that's going to be it. I just need to buy a fuse and we'll start, but let's see. It's the first thing I'm going to try. Fuse is completely burned, and I believe part of it is there, so I'll try to use something, but I don't know if it's going to work. It even looks melted here. I don't know if that's normal, and I don't even know if I just need to put this together and it will work without the fuse. I don't know. I'll try to start it with another fuse. You see, it's burned. It's not going all the way, but I'll try like this, at least touching it might tell me if this is what I need to solve. Okay, let's see if the pump starts. Yeah, was that. Let's see how that works. It's very lightly tightened, so I don't think it will work forever. By the way, look how nice my Volvo 240 is. It's in this condition, only 97,000 original miles. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. All right, I believe it's failing now, so that means that the fuse has burned again. I'll write a stronger one. And yeah, fuse is very hot, and a little hole appeared here, so there's something wrong here. I won't risk myself starting this over. I think this is from the alarm system. It's going down there, and I see it too loose for being part of the starter or something like that. So I'll see if I can somehow bypass this. I just got it from here, and if my brain is working, basically this goes one on one. So if I make this touch each other, if I somehow bond these cables, should be okay. Should work, should not create a short circuit or anything like that. So I'll try that. I know I won't have a fuse, and that's a risk, but I'll do so while I'll take it to a car electricity workshop to add one of these once again. I don't know there's a way I can tell how many amps this is supposed to be, but well, it is what it is. Alright, so this is the connection I had before. If I touch it, no sparks or anything, I believe it's because the contact is not there. So I'll just bond these together and see what happens. I believe it should be okay. At the end of the day, a fuse is just a bridge between two cables, or that's how I read this. It's not that one is positive, one is negative or anything like that. It's something that separates, splits two positive cables, so it should be okay. I hope this works as a transitory thing. So there it is. Say a prayer for me. Let's see if this works. I know this doesn't look pretty, okay, but it's just for starting it and see if there's any fire, smoke or anything. And then if this works, I'll just move the car outside and think what are the next steps, okay? So thank you. And it's working, okay? I don't feel this hot or anything, so I just move the car out of the garage and I drive home to my mother-in-law garage that I'm using. I am going to use something nicer than that so that I can use the car until the moment I really fix it. Alright. Just a little tour, since you are going to see this car pretty often in my YouTube channel, since I'll be doing some car maintenance and show you some things with this car. So just wanted to show you how nice it is. It's in a very good condition. The only thing cosmetically speaking that it's a bit wrong are those two big white stains in the doors. I believe they just tried to polish it and they realized it was a lot of work and just quit doing so. But anyway, alright, I'm going to show you the car inside. Alright, so this is the condition this car is. It only has 97,000 miles, so you can imagine. It has this nice cover, and under here, well, this little storage area, okay? If we go to the back seat, you will see how nice this is, okay? It's in perfect condition. As I said, 97,000 miles, everything original, everything works, but the air conditioning, of course, and I won't ever repair it because I don't want to dismantle and disassemble all what you need to do to replace the blower, okay? I assume my seat's in a very good condition. Alright, I hope you like the car, and you will see a lot, as I said, about this car in the future videos. Thank you.